Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Chrysler Pacifica? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Adaptive steering. Adaptive cruise control indicator. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system. Warning lamp. Electronic throttle control, ETC. Warning light. Oil temperature, warning light. Automatic high beam control, battery. Transmission temperature warning light. Vehicle security warning light. Cruise control indicator. Direction indicator. Door ajar. Hybrid electric vehicle system service. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. Plug status fault warning light. Headlamp high beam indicator. Hood ajar. Liftgate ajar. Torque limited warning light. Low fuel level warning lamp. Low tire pressure warning lamp. Low washer fluid. Level warning lamp. Oil pressure warning lamp. Traction control system, TCS. StabiliTrak light. Parking lamps. Adaptive cruise control, ACC. Fault warning light. Service engine soon. Stability control and traction control, off warning lamp. Electric park, brake, warning light. Fuel level sensor failure, warning light. Service AWD warning light. Service forward collision warning. Stop, start active indicator light. High beam assist. Service lane sense warning light. Service stop start system, warning light. Front fog indicator light. Adaptive cruise control, ACC. Adaptive cruise control, ACC. Max regeneration indicator light. Set speed display indicator light. Ready to drive indicator light. Gauges and meters. Speedometer. Tachometer. Temperature gauge. Fuel gauge. Instrument cluster display. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.